This video will cover the installation method for surface mounting MaxLite's L-Max Linear Luminaire. For each installation method, please refer to the product datasheet and the component configurator located on the L-Max Resources section of the website. You can also reach out to a MaxLite representative for help choosing the correct set of components for your application. To begin, we'll turn off the power at the circuit breaker before installing. We'll get started by removing the wiring plate located on top of the luminaire. Next, we'll connect the male plug on the short power cord to the female socket inside the fixture. Now, we can tighten the two lock screws on the male plug with a flathead screwdriver. From here, we'll snap the power cord sheath onto the plate before attaching the plate to the fixture's body. Once finished, we'll go ahead and attach the safety cables to each end of the luminaire. Next, we'll position and drill holes for the surface mounting brackets before we secure them in place with screws. Now, we can install the junction box cover and clip one of the safety cables to it. The remaining safety cable will get clipped to the mounting bracket on the other side. Use wire nuts to make your wiring connections according to the diagrams included in the instruction manual. Next, we'll gently lift the luminaire up to the mounting surface and align it with the mounting brackets. Now, we'll slide the locking latches over to secure the luminaire in place. From here, we'll turn on the circuit breaker and test that the luminaire is functioning properly. That's it. Please visit our website for more information on the L-Max Linear Luminaire and other MaxLite products. Thanks for watching.